Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to speed up Instagram Reels. Want to speed up your Instagram Reels for cool, fast motion effects? In this video, I'll show you how to adjust the speed of Instagram Reels easily. The first step is to open the Instagram Reels editor. Once you do that, just open Instagram and tap on the plus button. It's usually in the bottom on mobile devices like phones, but if you're using tablets like me, you're gonna find them in the left side. As you can see, I'm just gonna click on the plus button right here and select the reel. Let's try this again. Select reel. We're just gonna choose a random picture. You can record a reel and click on next, and here select reel and tap on the camera icon to start recording. The second step is to adjust the reel speed before recording. Now on the left side, tap on the 1x speed icon and choose a faster speed. The 1x means normal speed, 2x means 2 times faster, and 3x means 3 times faster, and 4x means 4 times faster. So start recording and your video will play at a faster speed. The third step is to speed up an existing video. And to do that, just tap upload and select a video from your gallery and use Instagram's built-in speed settings or edit using CapCut or InShot. The fourth step is to edit and add effects. You can add music, text or stickers to make the fast motion effects more fun. And for the fifth and final step, post your reels by clicking on next and adding captions and post your reel. And now you know how to speed up Instagram Reels. Use this feature to create fun, fast-paced and engaging videos. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.